This is how you turn yourself into a millionaire from Forex trading. What is good mga champion and welcome back to another video. So for today's video guys, I'll just share with you how you can turn yourself into a millionaire from Forex trading. Well, let's be honest to ourselves. Let's be realistic. Ikaw, maging totoo sa sarili mo. So, ito yung mga rason bakit ka naengganyo or naging interesado pumasok dito sa trading. Una, syempre, majority gusto nilang kumita. Lalo na yung mga nagsasabi na they just want to have extra income aside from their professional work o kung ano man ginagawa nila ngayon. Secondly is they want to change their lifestyle. Kasi nga, yung mga nakikita lahat sa social media, this and that, 'di ba? Walang boss, you're on your own. Ibig sabihin yan, nasa bahay ka lang. And you have more time freedom. And lastly, yung pangatlong reason is mainly you want to earn more para maging full-time or simply you want to become millionaire coming from the profits dito sa forex trading. So in short, ano nga yung common denominator? Again, common denominator is simply pera, di ba? So by default, we are all greedy. Wala naman tayong papasok yung bagay na sa tingin mong hindi magbe-benefit sa sarili mo, di ba? So dito sa mundo ng trading, in general, may it be forex trading, stock trading, crypto, kung ano man yan, is meron laging dalawang categories or group kung saan mapapabilang probably ikaw sa mga nanonood ngayon. Ano yung una? The unang category is sila yung mga impulsive. Pangalawa is yung mga conservative. So, I guess, based sa statistics, let's say 80 to 90% na naiengganyo or nagiging interesado dito sa trading to earn more money or to earn extra income, as they say, is nasa impulsive. Kasi bakit? Most of you guys naging interesado sa trading dahil na mismo sa nakikita nyo sa social media nowadays. It's because you want to have that same lifestyle. You want to have that shortcut na pwede palang kumita ng ganun without me working 8 hours on a physical labor. Ibig sabihin, you can make more than what you're earning now just by learning this skill. Pero nangyari, dito sa mga impulsive is they don't care about whether they will learn or not. Okay? Kaya dyan na pumapasok sila doon sa mga trading signals, copy trading, o kaya naman pumapasok sila doon sa mga too good to be true na mga promises from other traders na nagsasabing they will double your money. Again, sila yung mga napapabilang doon sa mga impulsive na group. Ibig sabihin, karamihan dyan, they want to earn money without learning. To see that the money will work for them or something. Pag naglagay sila ng pera, babalik sa kanila ng mas marami pa. Yan yung nagiging problem. So, dito sa mga impulsive na group, karamihan dyan is yung mga na-scam. Kasi bakit? They don't care about learning. They care about kikita lang sila, di ba? Without doing anything. Again, they are more on the lazy side of things, di ba? On the other hand, nandito naman yung mga grupo kung saan we can call them conservative. Kasi bakit? They're very curious in a sense na probably they have done their own self-study or research before diving into this industry, which is good, okay? For me, personally, I am on the side of both. Kasi when I was starting, syempre, by default, diba, I want to earn money, I want to make money. Pero syempre, hindi naman ako sumali doon sa mga group, yung mga trading signal, copy trading. Ang nangyari is, I was like gambling from the start, diba? I was like gambling nagsisimula ako. That means, walang strategy, walang risk management, I don't care about lot size. Ang goal ko lang is, basta kumita ako, regardless kung how much yung in-risk ko, whether kalahati na yung account ko, I'll do it. Okay? So, again, I am more of impulsive more than conservative. Yung point kung saan naging conservative ako is, syempre, yung naka-experience na ako ng malaking wins at malaking losses. Ibig sabihin niyan, when I experience yung big wins at hindi ko na siya maulit, nagkaroon ng parang light bulb moment kung saan nagawa ko na siya. All I have to do is, paano ko siya mauulit? Diba? So, doon na ako nag-divert going to the conservative side, which means the common missing piece dun sa ginagawa ko is I have to have a strategy. Okay? I have to learn risk management. I have to be better on trading psychology. Which means, sa part na yon, doon ko na-realize na there's a possibility of making more money, pero I have to do my part. I have to make that effort na aralin yun. So, going back doon sa conservative side, sometimes, masyado naman na-obsess yung mga tao ngayon, no? Sa paghahanap ng Holy Grail strategy. Again, if I were to be honest with you guys, it's not because I have the TFP Warrior system, it's not because I have the TFP Champion system, why am I making more money dito sa trading? No. Kasi bakit? I always believe everyone can learn a trading strategy. Kahit grade 1 yan, ituro mo lang step by step, then they will make money. Ang point dito is, not all are consistent. Okay? Meaning, from this topic, ang pinaka-importante ngayon, if you want to turn yourself into a millionaire from trading, you have to be consistent. Consistency is key. The point being, whether I am making money, I am losing money, syempre, throughout my trading journey, the process is not smooth sailing. Maraming ups, maraming downs, maraming shaky part along the way, maraming frustrations, disappointments, maraming losses of capital, burn accounts, lahat yan napagdaanan ko. Pero point doon, bukod sa consistency, I didn't give up, di ba? Instead of you focusing lang sa mga technicals, o di kaya naman kakahanap o kaka-add ng kung ano-anong indicators dyan, you can crowd your chart whether paid o hindi na indicators. Again, the bottom line is, how well can you sustain yung ganitong method, di ba? So, marami na akong nakasalumuhan, no? Whether student ko man o hindi, is sa una lang talaga sila na nagiging interesado. Some of them, kapag nagkakaroon na ng mga personal issues, again, sometimes nabago yung routine nila, nagkaroon ng conflict sa work, it really affects yung performance nila sa consistency dun sa pag-aaral nila sa trading. Which is sad. Kasi bakit? Ika nga, namuhunan ka na from the start. You have to keep it, you know. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, ang problem is hindi lang sa strategy, hindi lang technicals, hindi lang fundamentals. Again, that's part ng whole game, no? Pero ang point doon, sometimes ang problema kasi is within us, di ba? Kung ako sumuko noon way back 2012, 13 or 14, I will not be here, guys. I will not be having kung ano man meron ako ngayon, and I will not, siguro walang TFP Champion Forex, walang TFP Champion Online, wala akong mga estudyante na tinuturuan. So, point dito, ikaw lang din makakasagot how you can turn yourself into a millionaire. What I'm sharing with you is, you have to stick what you are doing now and try to be consistent as much as possible. Again, kung meron mang kailang i-tweak, technical part man yan sa strategy mo, or kailangan baguhin yung psychology, sa pagde-decide, and even yung proper risk management, then do it. Pero ang point doon, you have to be consistent. In a sense, what? Whether you're charting 5-10 minutes a day, at least make it regular, di ba? Isama mo siya sa routine mo. Parang pagkain. Na hindi matatapos ang araw na hindi mo nagagawa yun. That's what I did. Okay? The reason I'm here now and sharing with you is, I want to open your eyes, guys, na actually, natatawa nga ako, no, kapag naalala ko lang na when someone compliment me na magaling daw ako, ganito, this and that, laging nare-recall ko yung mga failures. Okay? And then I realized na it's really not because I'm good. Okay? It's because I didn't quit. Quitters Walang mararating yan, guys. Okay? Whether you lose multi-millions, okay, pwedeng mabalik yan. Because money come and go. Tandaan nyo, guys. Pero, once magkaroon ka ng drive na I have to make this work, okay, hindi mo naman kailangan magtaya agad ng malaki sa trading. Sabi ko nga, start small and then build from that. Okay, ganun yung ginawa ko. Some of you guys, meron na agad malaking kapital. Then, it's all up to you. Ang point ko dito is, how well can you sustain? Ma-maintain mo yung yung preservation ng capital. Kasi ang goal mo is compounding. We have to compound our account in a sense na you have to compound your account na kahit meron kang talo or panalo, you will have that extra wins. Kaya nga, di ba, magmamatter lagi yung proper or good risk to reward ratio more than winning. Winning is part, pero ang goal natin is how much money you are making kapag panalo ka and how much money you are losing kapag you have the wrong decisions. So again, the bottom line of this topic for today, you can turn yourself millionaire from trading as long as you always do your part and be consistent with it. Be diligent in doing charting, backtesting your strategy, o kung wala ka pang strategy, you can always learn what I'm sharing with you guys, lalo na sa mga VIP students. I'm glad, no? Majority ng mga estudyante ko are doing well. Okay? Hindi naman perfect eh. Kasi, depende pa rin sa situation ng tao. Some of them have personal issues na nakaka-apekto rin talaga dun sa kanilang performance. Pero ang point doon, they know what they're doing. Meron na silang sequence, meron na silang susunod na process. Hindi sila nanguhula when it comes to decisions. So, all they have to do is what? And including ikaw, kung nanonood ka ngayon, make it a habit. Okay? Once it's part ng routine mo, magiging madali na siya all the way. Diba? Parang sports lang yan. Sometimes, we're feeling na parang nakakapagod, paulit-ulit, diba? Nakasawa. Pero when you think like an athlete, you don't always think to perform at a place of a number 2. You always think and practice like you're on top, di ba? There's no place for second placer. What you want is either you go for the first place or you go home nothing. Ika nga. So, that's my mentality, ika nga. My point here is, kahit wala akong nakikitang resulta sa ngayon, I will still do it. Kasi bakit? Parang ano lang yan eh, parang, again, I will just share with you, no, parang workout lang yan. Kung meron kang goal na magpalaki na katawan, you go workout for 1 week, more or less wala kang makikitang pagbabago pa, di ba? Pero the following week, you will still do it. After 2 weeks, wala pa rin. Pero, you will still do it the following month. So on and so forth. After 6 months, meron ng konting improvement. You see some difference. And that's how you build momentum. Sometimes, yung change or result na gusto natin may not happen sa timeline na gusto natin. So, makikita mo yung changes na, yung performance and yung results once you do it regularly. Again, it becomes a habit or routine. Okay? So, treat everything as a sport, as a routine, as a daily lifestyle. Kasi once you have this solid routine, no, trading is a skill. It's a time-based skill. Hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-improve agad overnight. Imagine, I've started like way back 2012, full-time 2015. So, more than a decade, I'm doing this. So, you have to understand na hindi siya like overnight na magaling ka na agad once natutunan mo lang siya sa YouTube, this and that. Pero I can attest, okay? This skill can be learned in 3 months. So, dyan papasok, if you want to be part of our global TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check out my offered 3 programs. Again, Hindi ako sa parang nagbubuhat ng bangko, no? But more or less, based sa statistics na mga naturuan ko, I can guarantee in less than or 3 months, you'll be better, highly improved pagdating sa skill na to. So, uh, this offered 3 programs can be of big help, lalo na sa trading journey na, no? O kung ano man yung mga gaps nyo sa learning. So, ano nga ba tong mga to? For the option 1, this is the TAP Champion 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. So this really catered for a zero knowledge beginner to intermediate up to advanced. Syempre, inclusive na rin yung ating TAP Champion system. So this is done via Zoom, twice per week session. So the schedule is based on your convenience. So you may want to check out with me on that. Second option, for the option 2, this is the TAP Champion Masterclass. So this really catered for those na they want to learn at their own pace, lalo na kung pabago-bago yung kanilang schedules, kaya hindi applicable yung option 1. So, I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons, all downloadable, so this will be your lifestyle learning material. So, walang excuse na hindi mo pa rin matutunan yung champion system. And lastly, for the option 3, this is the TAP Champion Bootcamp. So this is more like a fast track because this is a 5 weeks program. We will be meeting 4 times per week session and definitely you'll be learning faster than you think. But definitely in 3 months or so, you'll be better in your trading journey. So again, I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Again, this is just a motivation sa inyo guys na you have to be consistent. You have to be, you have to work on your routine regularly, lalo na sa pag-short. Okay? Practice will make you better if not perfect. But again, this will help you improve and hone your skills pagdating sa trading strategy nyo. Alright? So again, thank you so much to all my TFP, VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.